Hey guys, it's Dwick here and welcome back to another video. And guess who is with me?
Hey guys!
So let me get straight to the point. We will give you some basic tips for Skywars. So let's begin. So first of all, if you play Skywars in CubeCraft, then you should select the kit tank because it gives you a chest plate and boots, which is super good.
So the second tip is that you have to loot every chest on your island as fast as you can. You don't have to waste time on looting some random stuff which is not useful for your battle, okay? You just have to rush to the center.
After looting, you have to rush to the mid, and for that, you should learn god bridging.
After reaching to the center, you may come across some enemies. So you must learn some PvP combat as well as how to do a block clutch, and you should improve your movement as well.
If you want to learn how to spam hit your enemies, then please let us know in the comment section. After all, it's just a game, so don't take it too seriously and rage quit. Just play it lamely and one day you will become god of Skywars.